Hello everyone, my name is Miss Sharon Roshan, teacher from Trinity International School. So today we'll be learning chapter 1, Me and Myself. So I am growing. So you have to post your photo of when you were born. Then you have to stick the photo when you were 3 years old. Paste a photo, today I look like this. आपको जब आप बॉर्न हुए थे तभी का फ़ोटो लगाना है, फिर आपको 3 साल जब आपके हुए कंप्लीट तभी का फ़ोटो, एंड देन अभी आप जैसे दिखते हो वैसा वो फ़ोटो लगाना है, ठीक है। सो बॉर्न ऑन, डेट लिखना है, एज 3 इयर्स और एज अभी का एज लिखना है, ओके। सो यू हैव टू राइट हियर माई नेम इज़ सो एंड सो, आपका पूरा नाम। माई नेम मीन्स आस्क योर पेरेंट्स, आपके नेम का कोई भी एक मीनिंग होता है, हर एक का नाम का एक मीनिंग होता है। सो यू हैव टू राइट द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट। आई वॉज बॉर्न इन सिटी, सिटी का नाम लिखिए। माई एड्रेस इज़, यू हैव टू राइट योर एड्रेस। माई टेलीफोन नंबर इज़, इफ़ यू डोंट हैव अ टेलीफोन एट योर होम यू हैव टू राइट योर मम्मा's या फादर्स मोबाइल नंबर, ओके। मोर अबाउट मी, you have to write your favorite color, you have to mention your favorite food, your favorite sport, your favorite cartoon show, उसका नाम लिखिए। I am, choose one word from the help box. So आपको कोई भी एक one word select करना है इसमें से, जैसे कि I am beautiful, I am simple, कोई भी आपका मनपसंद वाला word आप select कर सकते हो। Then chapter number 2, about my body. So our body is like a machine, each part is useful. Let us find out which part of the body is being used in the pictures given below. The first answer for this is hands. Which body parts is used? Hands. Second answer is mouth. Mouth has been used. Third, ears. Then the fourth, eyes. Eyes. Fifth कौन सा है? Feet. Sixth, knees. And seventh, nose. तो यहाँ पे आपको ऑप्शन दिया है आंसर्स का, उसमें से आपको लिखना है जो मैंने आंसर्स बताए। नेक्स्ट है चैप्टर 3, गेट माई नेम। सो इन इंडिया अ सिटी बिकम्स अ मेट्रो सिटी व्हेन द नंबर ऑफ पीपल लिविंग इन इट आर मोर देन 1 million. यूजिंग द क्लू बॉक्स, find out the names of the some metro cities of India and fill in the blanks. So first is Mumbai is famous for the Indian film industry known as Bollywood. Second is, you can see the answer from the back of the answer key, okay. Second is Chennai. Chennai is the 4th largest metropolitan area of India, formerly known as Madras. Third is Hyderabad is famous for its yummy biryani. Fifth one is New Delhi is the largest city in Gujarat, situated on the banks of Sabarmati river. Sixth, Kolkata. Kolkata, the capital of West Bengal, is famous for its rasgullas. Then chapter 4, all about my school. So come let me take you around my school. This is the principal's room. This is my classroom, I study here. This is the school's library, I read books here. This is the computer room. I learned to use the computer here. This is the auditorium. School functions are held here. This is the science laboratory. Big students do experiments here. This is the playground. I play games here. This is the school canteen. I eat tasty food here. So, name of my school is, you have to write the name of your school. I study in class. आप जिस स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ते हो, I study in class first, you have to write. The name of our principal is, you have to write the name of your principal. The name of my principal is Miss Sonia Nair. Mrs. Sonia Nair. Okay. So the fourth question is, the name of my class teacher is, you will have to write, the name of my class teacher is Mrs. Sharon Roshan. My school starts at, स्कूल का टाइमिंग लिखना है और आप जब ख़त्म होता है, छूटते हो, वो टाइमिंग लिखना है. ओके. Chapter number 5, Signs to Guide. These signs are used to guide road users along routes. They inform them about the destination and distance to make the road travel safe and pleasant. Match the signs with what they say. First is first aid post. First aid post. So chapter 5. So first answer is C. Eating place. Second answer is F. That is hospital. Third answer is kitchen. So you can see the kitchen. Third. Kitchen is not mentioned here. Fourth one is bedroom. So fourth is petrol pump, and the third is resting place. Fifth one is study room, and the sixth is dining room, and seventh is drawing room. So accordingly you have to match it. Okay. So you can see this is a public telephone, this is first aid. The sixth one is not mentioned here. Okay. The chapter 6, Home Sweet Home. Home Sweet Home. So this is Aryan's newly constructed house. See the inside and outside of the house. Read the clues and label the parts. This is the bird sit on it. That is roof. You have to write the answer roof. Second, this is the Ayan's family user it for bathing. That is bathroom. Okay. Third is, this is the kitchen. Ayan's mother cooks food here. Fourth is, this is the bedroom. Ayan's parents sleep here. This is Ayan's. The fifth one is study room. Study room. He sits and studies here. Ayan and his family sits in the dining room and has their meals. This is the guest. This is the drawing room. The guests are made to sit here. So do you live in an independent house or in an apartment? You have to write the answer. विच इज़ द बिगेस्ट रूम इन योर हाउस, आपको आपके घर का सबसे बड़ा रूम लिखना है। हाउ ओल्ड इज़ योर हाउस, आपका घर कितना पुराना है, यू हैव टू राइट दैट। हाउ मैनी रूम्स आर देयर इन योर हाउस, कितने रूम्स है आपके घर में, वो भी लिखना है, ठीक है। Chapter number 7, dresses. This is Mr. Gupta's family. See what is his family members are wearing and write the names of the dresses. So Mrs. Priya Gupta, Mr. Rohit Gupta, Yash, Mr. Krishan Gupta, Yamini and Aditi. So Mr. Rohit Gupta is wearing a yellow t-shirt and blue pant or trouser. So you have to write a yellow shirt and trouser. Mrs. Priya Gupta is wearing a sari. Yamini is wearing a pajama kameez. Yash is wearing a green t-shirt and shorts. Aditi is wearing a beautiful frock and brown skirt. Sixth is Mr. Krishna Gupta is wearing a woolen muffler and a cap. So people were differently dressed in India. Unscramble the names of some dresses worn by men and women. So the first one is, you have to scramble and write it, that is shirts. Okay, and the second one is tie. Third is sari. Fourth is skirt. Fifth is muffler and sixth is trouser. Okay, so now we'll go to chapter number 8, that is tools and equipments. Different people use different equipments to work. Match these people with the things they use. Carpenter uses saw. What do they use? They use saw, right? Sixth, doctor uses injection, or doctor uses stethoscope. Nurse uses injection, that is A. Barber uses scissors. Electrician uses screwdriver. Woodcutter uses axe. Okay, so accordingly you have to match it. Ninth one is opposites. Join the opposites with each other using different colored pencils. So you have to use different color pencils to join it. Okay. So like this you have to match tall and short. Second one is young, old. Slow, fast. Fat, thin. Then happy, happy and sad. Next is spell time. In each row, some correct and incorrect spellings are jumbled. Circle the correct spelling and write them in the blanks. So which is the correct spelling here? Sick. So write sick. Circle the spelling sick and write down. Second is lamb. L-A-M, lamb. Circle this and write down. Natural. So circle, write down lamp. L-A-M-P, lamp. So in this way you have to rectify which is the correct word and then you have to write down. Okay? Else you can write down from the answer key which is given behind of your book on the last page. Okay? Chapter number 11, busy people. There are some people who work hard and helps us in our day-to-day life. Let's learn more about them. I sell vegetables and fruits. I am greengrocer. I treat people who are sick. I am a doctor. I repair electric items. I am an electrician. I repair your shoes. I am a cobbler. I stitch your clothes. I am a tailor. I teach you to read and write. I am a teacher. I fight for the country. I am a soldier. Okay? Four 24.